welcome to Atlantis, the lost kingdom under the sea. Actually, I'm gonna go straight into a finder's fact because Atlantis, there's magic around it, and there is real magic around it. The historians have been obsessed with the myth of Atlantis for 2,400 years. According to Plato, it was a kingdom, a strong kingdom that actually sank in one night and one day in 9,600 before Christ. And right now I'm standing in front of the famous aquarium that actually holds 65,000 marine lives. There's up to 250 different fishes and loads of sharks and all sorts of cool creatures inside, which is amazing. The aquarium has so many activities to do alone. You can have one of those helmets and walk around the aquarium. You can dive. They have feeding shows, there's all sorts of activities. And what's really cool is that this aquarium actually has like new babies and they get moved to the lagoon in the water park, which we will be checking out later on. Also, because they're borrowing from the sea, they're also giving back. So they've actually released like some stingrays and sharks back into the ocean to give back. Yeah, oh, there's the diver, he's coming.
So guys, you can see them now, they're actually feeding the fish. How cool is this? And a lot of the fish comes from Australia and there's lots of lotus and vegetables in there. So cool. It's an actual feeding fest. The fish are going absolutely crazy. That is some serious feeding, guys.
Look at all the stingrays.
Okay guys, we thought we'd show you the model of this resort because it's proper interesting and we can't get the drone up because it's broken and two, you have to have a permit. Anyhow, we are stood on this side of the Atlantis. The most expensive room here is $28,000 for one night and that's located right at the top here, and you've got a view of the sea, which is obviously that way, and obviously of the palm, which is this way. There's over 28 restaurants here. Famously, Gordon Ramsay is here, British, love it. And then moving on, you've got this whole park, water park, which we're about to enter in a minute, so I'm not going to talk too much about it, but look how big this is. And one of the most exciting things that they're actually building right now, this is the Royal Atlantis. So half of this is going to be residential, and the other half is going to be a hotel. And you can see by the size of it, it's going to be huge. In fact, come and take a look at this. This is what it's going to look like. That's the size of it, and then that's the size of where we are right now. It's going to be gigantic. But anyway, that water slide has got my name on it. Let's do it. Okay, we are finally in the water adventure park. We are super excited because there's so many slides and different things to do here. It is really hot. It's in the middle of August. I wouldn't necessarily recommend anyone coming to August. I'm saying this all my Dubai videos because it's literally sweltering. Yeah. The Atlantis is behind us. We're in our swimsuits. And guys, in my other past videos, I've always said when you go to hotels, the towels are so small. This towel is huge. How many times do you wrap me in? Like 3 times. What the heck? Okay, enough frolicking around. We're gonna get the GoPro on. We're just gonna not do any more talking because when a GoPro gets wet, it gets a bit muffled. So we're gonna have a little montage of clips now. So let's cue the music. Let's go.
and get to the next activity. Atlantis has just so much to do, and from the Aquaventure we're gonna go and explore the Lost Chambers. No idea what to expect, so let's check it out. So this aquarium, it's very special. Like, Atlantis are so good for the detail. So it's got a real cool atmosphere, a real underwater world with tanks, but there's art everywhere. It's very intriguing. Let's continue.
Okay, this one we've got some lobster, and I tell you what, I haven't eaten all day, so this is making me really hungry. So this has got to be the best part of the whole Palm Atlantis experience.
Yeah.
Like, just a giant fish tank. And it's so magical. I could literally sit here for hours and just watch it.
Yeah, it's really relaxing.
Really relaxing.
It really feels like Atlantis, like the lost city.
It does, babe.
Like, you see it in the lobby, you see it in the hallway, you kind of feel underwater. They actually have 2 suites here in Atlantis that have their 3 levels. And the window where we're standing in front of, that's in your room.
It's
also,
insane.
your shower is this way, so you have a shower with this view. Price tag? 8,000 USD.
We might just skip that one this time.
This time, maybe next time.
Maybe next time, yeah. And babe, I'm really surprised that you being so close to this aqua life that you haven't turned into a mermaid yet.
I know, I should be turning, but since I'm not touching the water, I'm okay. That's it.
Okay, that was extremely cool, babe, wasn't it?
Super cool.
I feel like we've been underwater all day.
Yeah, literally. I feel
Brilliant.
like I've been in Atlantis. Get it?
Guys, we are now going to somewhere really cool. I think the coolest restaurant in the Palm. It's called the Wavehouse. You ready for it?
Are you ready for it?
Is your hair ready for it? Because it looks pretty wavy today. Let's
Nice.
go. Okay, I'm liking this place already. It looks really cool.
Ta-da!
First thing we're doing,
Bowling. I'm gonna kick your butt. We're currently in Wavehouse, potentially the funnest restaurant here in the Palm. We're just waiting for a bowling alley to be ready. We've got a little buzzer. And then we're gonna have dinner right here. This is the bar area. It looks pretty cool. You got like a whole live band corner. There's ping pong, there's pool, there's also the arcades around. It's got a real cool feel here. And then outside, we should check out because that's where we watch Graham do the waving. Wave house, get it? On the outside, it's also cool. You get you're steamed up.
Steamed up.
That's how hot it is here.
The outdoor bar looks basically straight onto the wave house, which I did earlier. I did pretty well, didn't I?
You did good. Here outside you can smoke shisha, get some cocktails. Real nice vibe, love it.
Babe, it's ringing, we've got to go.
It's ass kicking time.
Okay, we've got Theodore, we've got Graham, we've got the bowling lane, we've got the balls. Are you ready for this?
Let me get my balls and get going. Are you worried? Are you worried? You worried?
That was pretty good. Guys, my first one and I got a strike. Theodora, good luck to you.
done. We call that the warm-up round, so let's forget that ever happened.
Yeah, but I won.
Yeah, but it's a warm-up round. Anyway, now we're going for real.
Guys, we've just ordered a lot of food. Well, not a lot of food, but some amazing food. They've got a really good menu, so we can't wait to show you.
Oh my god!
That's insane.
Too much bigger.
How's that for you, babe?
The size of it!
Bowl of naturals I've ever seen.
That's insane. Can I just discuss one thing I've ordered? I don't know if you already overheard the waiter saying what it is, but does it look familiar?
Tell us, babe, what is it?
Fried baby bell. It's yummy.
Then we've got like a corn salad with king prawns.
Look at the size of them compared to my hand. These are grilled king prawns.
Sorry, but I've never seen a king prawn that big.
Never.
Theodore is Dutch, and in Dutch, when they have dinner, they say eet smakelijk. So guys, eet smakelijk. Okay, we are fat people. We've ordered a New York cheesecake, an Eton mess, a vanilla ice cream with caramelized popcorn, short caramel bread, Kit Kat, and caramel sauce.
Are you ready?
New York cheesecake? Yes, yes.